The film is a cop drama. It's a psychological thriller. The film is about four cops, one CBI officer and one underworld. It explores the nexus between the underworld, the cops, the politicians, the businessmen. It's a fast-paced, pulsating film, and it's an action commercial film. No, actually, I tell you what. In this particular case, the multi-star cast film, everybody came with a plethora of experiences on the table. You know, for me, it was not difficult at all. In fact, everybody adhered to the script. They all worked as per the script. I personally didn't have any problems with any one of them. In fact, it was a pleasure. It was like, if you see all of them together on the screen, it was like magic happening on screen. Designing of the action was tough, because I was working with actors who've done action practically all their lives. Executing the action wasn't as tough, but what do we give the audiences with a set of actors who've been doing this on a daily basis for their livelihood? We had to present something different, something new, something interesting. That was what was tough. The execution of action was actually fun. I mean, all the actors came enjoying their part, whether it was action, whether it was emotion, whether it was comedy, interaction, the interplay of characters that they had. It was a lot of fun. I didn't have too many problems with the action sequences also. The only problem, like I said, was to design the action for people who've been doing action all their lives. We've got 4 songs in the film. The title track appears at various places. It's thematic. There is a situational song, which the world may like to call an item song, but for us it's a situational song. One of my favorite tracks is a song called Bhige Naina, which is an emotional song and touches the emotional chord of all these characters put together. The 4th song is a promotional video, Hit the Lights Now. These are the 4 songs that are there in the film. Actually, what happened was the title came up from Dada. We had 6 principal characters. So he said, suppose we name the title as an acronym. So they are initials of each character put together, which I thought was a brilliant idea. So he came up with ENEMMY, the names and all. Then obviously I provided for the whole thing. But it was very interesting because the film is also the dynamics of the interplay of each characters, all the 6 characters put together. It's an interesting way to put it into the title as well. So that's how the title got evolved. The atmosphere in the set, like you must have seen now, was extremely light. We had a picnic there. We worked, but we had fun. So I thought, whatever fun we had behind the screen, on the screen is a resultant of that, because the bonding grew up. The understanding between each one of them grew up. That understanding is what you can see on the screen as well. I think it was very good. It was interesting to see this on the screen. I think the script of the film and the performance, the way the relationship has developed in this specific, it's a very human film. It's an identifiable film. It's not a surreal film in that way. They are identifiable characters. Each one have their own characteristics. But most importantly, they have their weaknesses. That's what makes them human. I mean, they're not, we're used to heroes in Hindi cinema, commercial Hindi cinema, where heroes don't have weaknesses. They have actually strengths. And the films are harping on the strengths of each specific protagonist. But in our case, not only are we depicting the strength of each character, we are also actually exploiting the weakness of each one of them, because that's what makes them human. Enemy is a fun-filled film. Enemy is a fast-paced, pulsating film. It's an enjoyable film. It's an identifiable film. You will enjoy the roller coaster ride. Hopefully, get drawn into the emotion of the film.